Hey guys, Carl Anderson here with MarineMax Charleston. Just wanted to make you aware of some upcoming dates to put on your calendar and also send you a personal invitation. We are hosting a blood drive with the American Red Cross on Friday, November 20th, right here in our showroom. Be sure to check us out online and also our Facebook page for more information and to also book your appointment. While you're here, be sure to bring an unwrapped gift, as we're also partnering with Toys for Tots to accept gifts for our local community. We'll be receiving gifts now through Monday, December 7th. So again, check us out online and on Facebook for more information. And again, thank you so much for helping us give back to Charleston.